Now this is advanced pacifism.
Oh shit! Got me.
Hostility increased.
Mute. Hostility increased. No, not gun. Jesus. Ah, fuck.
Absolute-
No! This is immoral.
You-
Ow! Jesus.
Pacifism.
Oh wait, you died?
You killed me.
That she's my wife. She's my goddamn
My wife.
They'll do
My
terrible
wife.
things to her. You
My
can't
wife.
help.
I wonder if you can use the voice
Oh, you
call
can.
in
I
this.
heard you.
echoing and saying my wife.
Yeah, I heard you.
Why not?
My wife. My wife.
Sorry, I didn't realize you guys could hear that.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
My wife.
I
I love that nobody
But they took her.
replied. My wife.
I'll throw it on the ground,
Okay.
and then I'll like stand on top of it. I only have one left.
Oh, yeah, maybe you shouldn't waste it.
No, I'll throw it on the ground,
Okay.
and then I'll like stand on top of it. Oh, okay, that was excellent.
That
So you're
didn't-
fine, I die.
Yeah, I'm completely fine. That did not
Alright,
work
well-
in the way that I thought.
we found the limit to friendly fire. That's good.
Yourself.
Now we know how it works.